Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your turn signal is blinking fast and how you can fix it. Let's get started. A bad bulb is the most common reason for your turn signal blinking fast. A damaged bulb results in a change in resistance, which reflects in faster blinking. Follow these steps to change your turn signal bulb. Open the hood or trunk and pull out the wire attached to the bulb. Remove the defective bulb and set it aside. Install the new bulb and reassemble the turn signal. Test your turn signal to see if you fixed the issue. Check for wiring issues. Wiring issues affect how much voltage reaches the turn signals. Follow these steps to address this issue. First, ensure your battery generates enough power. If it is, check the wiring leading to the turn signals. Inspect them for damages and corrosion. Test each wire and connector to ensure enough current flows through them. Refer to your car's manual for standard measurements and the location of these wires. Finally, check the fuse. Remove the appropriate fuse and check if it's damaged. If it is, replace it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.